Larry. His name is Larry. That's his nickname, but his real name is Leonito. Using a note. Can you imagine that? So yes, he's cool, he's techy. Sometimes, actually most of the time. Pero, hindi, minsan lang talaga. Depende kung ano, depende sa situation. A lot of things, but the best I think will be he believes in me. Not just me, but in all of us, kaming tatlong magkakapatid. Yes, so much. He drives from dawn to midnight just to send us to college, just to send us money so we can have everything that we want. I think that would be when I stopped studying for a while. He was very disappointed, but he was still supportive. I think he sort of knew that I was a bit confused on what I wanted to do with my life, but he supported me all the way. Well, not yet, but I'm on the process of doing it. And I really hope that one day all this will work out so I will make him proud. Tatay, thank you po sa lahat. Salamat po. Lalo po sa hindi mo pag-give up sa aming tatlo. Yung pagsama mo sa amin sa mga desisyon na ginagawa namin sa buhay. Tsaka nung bata pa kami, you know, when our mother left us, you were also left by your wife. But that didn't give you any reason to be a bad father. Actually, the best reason why I'm leading a wonderful life is because of you. So, tatay, thank you po sa lahat. Happy Father's Day and mahal na mahal kita. I miss you. God bless.
You're my hero, chasing the monsters from my room, going on trips around the moon, the one who's always been there faithfully. You're my hero, 'cause you're my dad.